The neonatal unit here is a tertiary level unit which is recognized by the National Neonatology Forum, and it is an accredited unit where we also have a fellowship training program. This unit is ably assisted with all the departments like pediatric cardiology, pediatric surgery and pediatric neurology, and we have all the equipments which are required for a tertiary level care for any newborn complications or newborn conditions. The past decade we have treated more than 1,000 babies in our neonatal intensive care unit. What we need to understand is what is prematurity and what is a term baby. Any baby which is born less than 38 weeks, we call it as preterm babies. Even in this, again, those who are born at the verge of maturity, like who are born between 35 to 36 weeks, they are called as late preterm babies, and babies who are born before that are definitely belong to the preterm category. Now these preterm babies require this special care immediately after birth. The least gestation and the weight which we have taken care in our neonatal unit is a baby who was born at 25 weeks and which was only 650 grams, which was treated a couple of years back, and the baby is doing perfectly fine now. Similarly, we have taken care of several hundreds of babies who have been born less than 1 kg and who are born between 26 to 28 weeks. These babies, because of the nature and the gestation in which they are born, they will have prematurity of the lungs. The first problem would be they'll have difficulty in breathing. They'll require assistance which is given either with the ventilators or it may be given with CPAP or what we call other non-invasive type of ventilation. These babies, since they are born premature, they require temperature maintenance because they have come to the outside environment at a very preterm age. They are not geared up to maintain their temperature on their own. So these babies require that special care to maintain their body temperature, so they will be kept in the incubator till the time they become mature enough and they are able to maintain their temperature outside. So that may take some time. Generally, these babies will be discharged once they reach around 36 weeks and the baby's weight also crosses 1.7 kgs and the babies are able to feed on their own from the mother directly. The other issue is infection. Now these babies, because of their very low immunity levels, they are very much prone to develop infection. For this reason only, we restrict the number of visitors also into the neonatal intensive care unit. Apart from the preterm babies, even sometimes the term babies also may require admission in the neonatal intensive care unit. These term babies which require admission in neonatal intensive care unit are those which had difficulty to breathe immediately after birth, what we call as hypoxia or birth asphyxia. Otherwise, if the babies have got jaundice at a very high level requiring phototherapy or exchange transfusion, or some of the newborn babies who get infected at very early time in their life, and also the babies at the time of delivery who would have swallowed what we call as meconium, or the motion which the baby passes sometimes inside the womb. That meconium or motion can be swallowed by the baby, which can lead to complication, and hence these type of babies also require admission in the NICU. Now with the advent of neonatology, the neonatal intensive care unit in our hospital is adequately equipped as equivalent to any other advanced countries. The technology has advanced so much that we are able to take care of extreme preterms up to 25 weeks of gestation successfully all these years.